how to change your gender on Roblox PC. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Roblox. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to roblox.com, go here to the top, click on settings, and now click on account info. On this page you will find gender, and here you can change the gender to female or male and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.